Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video I'm gonna show you real exam question with the road closed. I was receiving a lot of feedback of my videos, and people were asking, could you please make the videos of the road closed? So these are not only road closed, and these are real exam questions, because I just asked from a student when they went to the exam and they told me this question. So let's start. So the first question is Vauxhall Bridge Road. So this question is coming again and again and again. This came last year in 2020, and 2021 is coming again and again. Everyone, people, they got training with me, they're talking about this question. So Vauxhall Bridge Road close. I can tell you how tricky is this question is going to be. So read the question, Vauxhall Bridge Road. So people think Vauxhall Bridge is closed, but not. This is a Vauxhall Bridge Road is closed. So contact on this number. Full real exam question mock test we offer only for £20. So if you want to do full mock test, if you want to judge yourself, so we do with experience team. So you connect, we connect to your computer. You need computer and a mouse, then you will be able to do this mock test. If you need help, just contact to this number. So let's start the first question. So here, as you can see on the screen, the Vauxhall Bridge Road is closed. So we're gonna draw the most direct route. So first do planning, please. So I can see Vauxhall Bridge Road. First need to find Vauxhall Bridge Road. It's not gonna be easy. It's gonna take a couple of minutes or seconds sometimes. It's depend on your eyes and your picking. So I can see this is Vauxhall Bridge Road, guys. So look, I'm gonna just listen carefully. The people think the Vauxhall Bridge is closed, but if you read the question, it say Vauxhall Bridge Road is closed. So you can see the Vauxhall Bridge Road is only over here. So I'm gonna do with over here, this one. So this is Vauxhall Bridge Road. So means you can't use this road, but this is the best Borough Gardens. And after that, that's the Vauxhall Bridge. It means the Vauxhall Bridge is not closed. This is a different place after that. So only Vauxhall Bridge Road is closed, so we can't use it. So we're going to draw the most direct route. A lot of people do mistake when they do training with me. They do a lot of mistakes. Okay, so just make bigger. Look, you can't go into the one way. So first you're going to go to the left hand side. So I'm going to go here on this road. I'm going to do my next planning. So then I'm gonna just come to this point. So my route should be look like this. So I'm gonna come to Oakley Road over here. Stay on the left hand side, because I did my planning. Don't worry about this one way. So just I'm gonna carry on. Then I'm gonna stop over here. I'm gonna do my next planning. So up to here is fine. I'm going to do my next planning. So I'm going to go to the Vauxhall Bridge. So just carry on. Don't worry about this line. They are railway lines. So you never see in your life that railway line is going to be close the roads. It's going to be traffic signals. It's going to be railway crossing, or it's going to be bridge. So don't worry. These railway lines never close the road. So just stay on the left. Make it bigger. Planning. Okay guys, so that's it. So I can use Vauxhall Bridge. A lot of people they don't use Vauxhall Bridge. They think, oh, this is closed. So my red is over here, so I can go this way as well. Do planning always. So if I go this way, here, and this is, you can see, is the most direct road from my eyes. A lot of people do mistake here. They just go this way and they just go like this, and you can see this is the longer route. I just draw roughly. A lot of people I know they do like this when they do training with me. Okay, so other people they do like this as well. They come like this, and you can see as well. So mine road is the most direct route. Other is they're not looks nice. So TFL asked to draw the most direct route. Okay guys, hope so you understand this one. If you have any question, if you want to do training with us, and if you want to do the mock test, which is only £20, and the you can do the route planning training with us as well. Just contact on this number. Let's move to the next question. Okay guys, so in this question is saying Lehman Street is closed. You can't use Lehman Street. So let's start the questions. So this is my green point, this is my red point. So first try to find the Lehman Street. So just look around, I can see the Lehman Street here. So Lehman Street is starting from here, so you can't use this whole street. I'm gonna just do, and is finishing over here, because after that is nothing here. So because this is something, say docks Street, so you can close this one, and this is Lemon Street. No, sorry, it's my mistake. The Lemon Street is up to this point over here, so you can't use this area, that's Lemon Street. So we're gonna try to find our most direct route. Means it should be look like this, but it's not gonna look like this because the road is closed. So don't worry, so we're gonna try to find the most direct route. Okay guys, please do always planning. So I'm gonna go over here. So instead of going straight, I'm gonna turn on this road. I'm gonna come this way, and I can't come down because of the one way. So what I'm gonna do, if I go straight, then I can come down over here. But what I'm gonna do, okay, so if I go that way, so it's going to be the longer. So that's why you always do planning. So what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna come on this road over here like this. So you must follow this way because this is one way. This arrow is telling you we have to go this way. So then I'm gonna come this way here. Then my red is there, so I'm gonna come over here, and there's a Whitechapel High Street. You can go straight and you can turn right over here, is no problem, and there's no line as well. So I'm gonna come this way as well. Then I'm gonna on the Mansell Street, you can't come into that because it's a one way. So then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come over here, then I'm gonna come this point, and I'm just gonna follow the one way. Here a lot of people do mistake here guys. This is a very important point. Just you're gonna do like this. People think this is a roundabout, just they go around from this point, black dot. This is not. If you check in the Google map and write good maths yard, you can't just go do like this. It's gonna be 0 marks because this is a one way, the traffic is going this way. So be careful. So delete this one. So just use what I'm doing now. Come over here, just follow the one way. Okay, so if I can see, and there is a one way, I can't come to that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go down from here and just finish over here guys. So this question is very easy, just because of that, this black dot, this little roundabout, people do mistake and they just go do like this and they got 0 marks. So guys, so be careful when you're gonna do this question. Is very important questions. Hope so you understand. If you need more training, just contact on the number you can see on the screen. Okay guys, in this question, Fairfield Street is closed. So let's start the question. So do planning, try to find the Fairfield Street. So Fairfield Street is this one, you can see over here. I'm gonna draw the line over there. You will not be able to do in the real exam, but Fairfield Street is starting from here. So this side, I mean this corner, you cannot use it, other is going to be fine. So this one way, I have to follow the one way. Means you can't turn this way, it's up to you guys. Check my red is there. So I'm gonna just go here and if you want to come this way you can, but this is the one way, so means you can't go that way. It's going to be a little bit longer route, so that's why you should not go this way. What I'm gonna do, so check your red is there, so I'm gonna just go from here, choose the roundabout, check your red is there, just come here because you're getting off from this road, so you're gonna use this one here. You come this way, you can turn this way and just come over here, and this is no problem at all. Okay guys, so this question is tricky sometimes because people just come this one way and they go the other way. Maybe you can lose marks maybe drawing the longer route, because some people do longer route, like I give the example in the Vauxhall Bridge Road. Let's start the next question. Okay guys, so this question came just last week in the month of June. Is this Manor Park Road is closed? So let's start the question. Okay guys, so this is our green point and that's our red point. So first try to find the Manor Park Road. So I can see the Manor Park Road is starting from here and is finishing over here. You should not do this in the real exam. I'm just doing you to that you can see clearly where's the Manor Park. So we can't use this one and we try to find the most direct route. So there's many ways to do this question. So I'm gonna just come on this Craven Park. So just stay on the left hand side. My planning to go to that main road. So you can't come this way because of this building. So if you're gonna do like this, you're gonna get 0 marks. So be careful. As I said, just do the planning ahead. From here, just stay on the left. So I'm gonna come on this road. So I hit the black line. You're not gonna do this one. Be careful and do. Just stay away from the black line. Be careful, guys. Now we're gonna do our next planning. We're just gonna go to the Craven Park Road. Then we're gonna turn left from there. Okay, so just this is a little roundabout, just follow the one way. So from here I can just use this one. You can't come to the Craven Park Road because the one way. So if we go to the left, then come to that way, the other one, just we can, if we come that way, it's going to be longer as well. Yeah, so you can't come this way, it's going to be longer. So this is the only way. Just turn left over here and just try to join this road. Just we skip the Manor Park. It's not gonna affect, we can't get the straight line because of the Manor Park Road close. So we have to get into that. So on this road there is no center reservation line, I can't see, so I can turn right, is no problem at all. So yeah, so this road is most direct route, so I'm gonna get full marks in this question, guys. Hope so you understand it. Thank you so much for watching. Let's move to the next question. Okay guys, in this question Glenthorne Road is closed. So let's start the question. So Glenthorne Road, you have to find it. This is Hammersmith Bridge. So yeah, so Glenthorne Road I can see starting from here and it's going all over here. So we can't use this road at all, and just find another way. So what I'm gonna do, so I have to go to the Hammersmith Bridge flyover. So I'm gonna stay on the left hand side. This road looks to me close, so we should not go on that road. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just turn from here. I'm gonna come this road and I'm gonna go from here. On this one you should not get off from this road because this could be one way. So So just come over here, and we can't go into that because of the one way. So I'm just going to turn over here. Look, we didn't use Glenthorne Road, so I'm gonna go to our destination. Hammersmith Bridge always come in the exam, most important. Just follow this way. Here this roundabout, so there's a roundabout underneath it. So before, our red is over there, so a lot of people go to the A4 then turn from there, so be careful. A4, there's a line there, so we're not gonna take risk to turn right. So I'm gonna use this roundabout which is underneath it. So I'm gonna just go over here, and my red is near there. Stay on the left hand side. I went on the middle. Stay on the left hand side, otherwise you're gonna lose marks. It's one way I can go. Stay on the left hand side as well. That's it, guys. So hope so you understand it. Easy peasy. This question not very hard. Just read the question very carefully, guys. Let's move to the next question. Okay, guys, in this question, Tottenham Court Road is closed. Very important question. Many time come in the exam. So contact on this number, and if you want to do full mocked real exam question test, you just contact on this number. It's going to be only £20. So let's start the questions. So yeah, this is city question. Our green is here and red is there. First need to find Tottenham Court Road. I can see Tottenham Court is starting from here and just going all over at this point. So you can't use this Tottenham Court Road. There's a lot of purple color, you should avoid from this as well. So my red is there, so I'm gonna do the most direct route. So if I go this way, so it's gonna be longer route. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back this one way, just follow one way. I'm gonna come, you can't come this way. So what I'm gonna do, just do planning. So I'm gonna do over here, go over here, then just come back over here, because I need to go to the Great Portland over here. So just, you can't go this way, but I can go this way, then it's gonna be fine. Just I'm gonna go to the Park Crescent because there's a lot of streets going on as well. It's better if you just come over here, and there's no lines, big lines, so it should be fine as well. Come over here. Okay guys, this point is very important. If you check this Park Crescent in the Google map, so you can go like this, is no problem here. So this is one way, just follow the one way. Come over here, check your red. My red is over there, so I'm gonna go straight. So a lot of people, this is a Houston road, a lot of people just go from the side road. It's common sense, guys. If you're gonna go straight, just you're gonna use the underpass, because this is going to be the most direct route, and it's gonna be faster route. So just go here, and after that is simple question, guys. But if you're looking at me, it's going to be easy, but when you do the question with mouse by yourself, it's going to be hard. As example, when you see someone is driving is different, when you drive by yourself is different. Yeah, so you must do training before go to exam, guys. So yeah, this is the most direct route. There is no other route to get that route. Yeah, so hope so you guys understand it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I'm putting videos more regularly and you will get the update. So yeah, so contact on this number, and if you want to do training, contact as well. And if you want to do the mock test fully with real exam question and A to Z, it's going to be only £20, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.